y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a brand new product to share with y'all today. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. I'm gonna show you everything that this little kit came with, and then I'm gonna be doing a demo and showing you how all 4 of the attachments work. So this is from Inglam. This is the Inglam 4-in-1 high-speed motor blowout brush. I have been dying to try this out, one attachment in particular, which I can't wait to show y'all. So let's get right into it.
So I'm just going to do a quick little unboxing to show y'all how it came, what the packaging looks like, and what all came inside, and a little bit of information on the product as well. So this is the gorgeous box that it comes in, and the first thing you see when you open the box is the blow dryer itself and all of the attachments. But underneath that, there's more, which I'll show you in a second. So the first attachment we have here is the blow drying attachment, then this is the blow drying brush attachment, and then we have a round brush attachment and a curler attachment. So not only does it come with the 4 attachment pieces for different styling, it also comes with a nice carrying case to store your products or for traveling. It also comes with a glove for protection, a comb, 2 hair clips, a brush to clean your blow dryer, and this little Velcro piece that holds your hair back into place.
Okay, so I'm fresh out the shower, but I did do my makeup. My hair is still wet, so I'm gonna give it a quick brush through, and then we are going to try out this product. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna take this little Velcro thing off here and plug her up. We're gonna see how the settings work. Okay, so we have an on and off button. This is off, obviously. On. And then we have the different control settings here. So the first attachment I'm going to test out is the blow dryer attachment. We're going to get this hair dry quick.
So first, I'm blow drying my hair with the blow dry attachment. It dried my hair really nicely. This does have a controlled high-speed airflow, and it has a built-in thermal control system to regulate the temperature to avoid high heat. It has 2 different temperature settings. One is hot and one is cold, and you can change that by just touching the button. There's no negative ions, so your hair won't have any static, and this blow dryer honestly made my hair feel so soft and smooth, and it was frizz-free.
Nice. Why does my hair already look amazing? So next I'm going to try out the brush attachment. Okay, first off, I have to say how beautifully this blow dried my hair. My hair feels soft and smooth rather than dry, how it would normally feel when I just blow dry it with a regular blow dryer. I love this brush because it literally brushes through my hair so smoothly while drying it at the same time. Next, I'm going to use the round brush attachment because I want to use it at my roots here on my bangs. So I'm going to use the little clips that this kit came with to clip my hair back, but I'm gonna get my bangs down first. I like to curl my bangs with a round brush. It just gives them more body and gives them a little character. Okay, so what I'm most excited about is this attachment. I've never tried one of these before, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how it's gonna turn out. I hope that I do it right because where I've never used one before, I'm not sure exactly how to do it, but we're gonna find out together. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is pull up half of my hair And then we're gonna work on the bottom first. Hello. Okay, that was really easy actually. So basically, I'm just gonna turn it on and watch. It literally just wraps itself around my hair. And it's actually holding onto it. That's crazy. All right, let's do the rest. I'll just basically throw it on there and it does the work for me. Literally just curls it for me. Okay, so this is what it's looking like at the bottom. I know you couldn't see it the way I was sitting, but this is how it's looking. That's the bottom part of my hair, and now we're gonna start on the top part of my hair. So I am discovering that there's 2 ways you can do this. I'm gonna show you both ways now. I'm gonna separate my hair again into the sides. Okay, so one way you can do this is actually just to kind of set your hair on it, or you can like do a quick wrap if you want to. Either way, it's going to basically like suck in the hair to the iron attachment. I'll show you. So you can do it like that, and it basically just, as you can see, it attached itself to it, and then you just move it closer to your scalp like this, and it's literally holding on to the hair. It's amazing. And then you just pull it out. And then the other way you can do this is literally like wrap it like that and then pull it to your scalp. It's really tight on there too. I'm like shocked that it's got such a good grip. Like I'm pulling it from my head. I literally don't have to do any of the work. And then you pull it out. Boing, boing. All right, let's go ahead and do the rest of this side. I am loving this. Last piece on this side. Okay, so now we're gonna start on this side. I wonder if it's gonna be easy to do the back of my head. I am curious about that. The grand finale is going to be the front part. I'm debating if I want to do my bangs or not, but I kind of want to see how they would turn out. So let's go ahead and do it. Ew. Let's flip it outward. Let's do this one now. Farrah Fawcett style. Okay, so let's bring it all in the front now. Okay, this is what it's looking like. I'm going to give it a little shaky. Okay. We never do a hairdo without doing a little teasing at the root. So I'm gonna take the little teasing comb that came with my kit, tease my roots. We love body. I'm gonna do it here. A little closer up here. And of course we're gonna do a little bit at the back. Perfect. So this is how the bottoms are looking. This is how the top is looking. I actually love how my bangs turned out because just made them a little floofy, give them a little character. So yeah, this is the Inglam 4-in-1 Pro High Speed Motor Blowout Brush. Like I said, it came with 4 attachments. You get the blow dryer, you get the round brush, you get the brush, and then you get this little curler piece here. Now, I love how my hair turned out, but I don't feel like it necessarily curled my hair. It did, however, just give it lots of bounce. It gave it lots of body, and I don't know if you can tell, but shine. Like, my hair looks and feels super healthy and thick, and I think it looks amazing. So now that I'm done with my hair, I can go ahead and remove the attachment and pack her up in my little Inglam carry bag. Everything that the kit comes with fits perfectly in here, so you get to use this as a storage, but then you also get this nice little storage box, so you can go ahead and put your product back in here, or you can use this for something else. So anyways, thanks for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed this little review, unboxing and review. If you want to check out the Inglam blow brush, I will have it linked down below. If you have anything to say, leave it down in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button if you enjoy my content, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!